Hey, TY38, let me tell you something about this vlog, bro. It's unique. You can listen to one vlog all day long. This is the one you should listen to, baby.
All right, man. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We done made it to this first stop out here in Bellmead, Tennessee. We working on this Volvo. I believe this is the XC90. Majority of the time when I'm doing these are XC90s, and this is a XC60, so it's not an XC90, but we gonna go ahead and work on this interior first. If you look in the interior, it literally got plenty of debris in here, your usual, your sticks, twigs, rocks, pebbles, things like that, little dog hair. Gonna make sure we get in here, clean these seats. Remember, when you clean these seats, pull them, spread them apart, because you can see the little debris. And we're gonna make sure we get over here and clean these cup holders and get this stuff all nice and clean. If you look over there, nice little amount of dirt and stuff like that. So we're gonna make sure we get in here, wipe down all the panels. You see, once again, all this black shiny stuff, chrome on the door handles, things like that. So once we're done, we're gonna come back here, vacuum back here, and get, you know, hit everything up, get on the seats, and, you know, hit the back of the seats and all that. Then we're gonna make sure vacuum back here. You see, got a little dog here. You know what I mean? Get a little dog here so we can make sure we pull out the utility brush, things like that. We already got the generator out, vacuum out, buckets, brushes, things like that, towels. So we're gonna go ahead and get our day started. We got 3 more cars to do today. It's a beautiful day, and we're gonna finish this day and go relax with the kids. But like always, man, do what you gonna do, because I'm gonna do what I gotta do, or I'm gonna do what I gotta do, so you can do what you gotta do, man. Remember, man, stay consistent, stay persistent, stay relentless, man. Sometimes you gotta be your own motivation. I wish sometimes I had somebody even help motivate me even more, you know what I mean? Sometimes it does suck, but I'm not lackluster. I'm definitely passionate about what I do. Like last night, I wanted to go out and shoot some footage, couldn't get out there and shoot it, so it is what it is. I'm gonna try to get out today. I'm just always trying to stay in the process of grinding and working. But I'm gonna go ahead and knock out this car, do what I gotta do, and I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We didn't finish this first car today, which is this Volvo XC60, man. We got the whole car completely done. Car looks immaculate. Got a shine, wheels clean, windows clean. We did everything. We did what we had to do. So I'm gonna give you a quick glimpse of the interior real quick. Show y'all. Remember it had all that. Remember, had all that dog hair everywhere in here, but got all the dog hair up, things like that. So got the seats nice and clean, doors nice and wiped down, things like that. Like I say, the windows are nice and clean, seats. You remember what this side looked like over here. So we got the whole car done. I'm finna go ahead and get paid, you know what I mean, head to this next stop, you know what I mean. So we about to go ahead and next stop probably about 30-40 minutes from here. It's a nice little ride. But we about to go ahead and get out of here, man. So on that note, man, stay consistent, and I'm gonna catch y'all at the next one, man. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We done made it to the second stop of the day. I thought it was 2 cars here, but it's just this one car. We working on this Audi Q8, I think, or something like that. Q8 or A8, I don't know. Hold on. This is Q8, yeah. So right now we working on the exterior. We already did the interior wheel. If you look at the wheels, man, they're pretty dirty. So I had to get in there and clean it up real good, man. So I'm gonna go in here, get that up. But we already got the interior of the car looking good. It was dog hair all in here, stuff like that. Make sure we clean the doors. Make sure we got that all clean. Make sure we wipe down all the panels and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and watch the exterior, man. It seems like it's about to rain. I don't know. Temperatures just dropped at least about 7 degrees. But I'm gonna go ahead and work on this car, man. Knock it out, man. Hit the mats, put them back in park, and then drive probably about 20 minutes to my next stop. But I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute, man. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We didn't finish this Audi Q8, man. We got the car completely done in and out. We already showed you what the interior of the car looked like. The exterior of the car came out pretty well. You know what I mean? The wheels were at that brown. I remember it had that real brown look on it. You know what I mean? But it's off, it's clean now. But we got the old car clean. About to put it in the garage. It was trying to rain. Usually you leave the car in the driveway, but I don't want the car to constantly keep getting rained on. So I'm gonna put it in the garage. We're probably about 10-15 minutes from my next stop. So I'm gonna go ahead and hop back in the van, head to the next stop. And on that note, like always, man, do what you gotta do, because I'm gonna do what I gotta do. Or do what you gotta do so I can do what I gotta do. Or did I already say that? I don't know. Anyway, on that behalf, man, stay consistent, stay relentless, stay persistent, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do. We done made it to this last stop of the day, man. We about to do this Mercedes Benz. This is a GLS 450. About to go ahead and work on the interior first. Go ahead and knock it out real quick. But you see the interior, man. It's a little dirty. So we're gonna go in here and wop it up real quick. You know what I mean? Hit it up. It's a little dusty in here, but it is what it is, man. It's nothing we can't handle. You know what I mean? So we're gonna go ahead and hurry up, knock it out so we can get done for the day, go do this podcast, kick it with the kids, stuff like that. But on that note, man, I feel like it's about to start raining. It got extremely windy out here. Finna go ahead and hurry up, start on this car before it do rain or whatever. So on that note, I'll catch y'all in a minute, man. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We didn't finally finish this Mercedes Benz, man. It took a little while, but we got the car completely done. Car looks good, you know what I mean? But now I gotta head home, because I gotta get ready for this podcast. But did the car, it started raining on me, so it kind of held me up just a little bit. But we finished here, man. Pollen already, look how thick this pollen is, man. That shit's so thick, like it's already so thick, man. Like it's, if you don't got allergies, you would definitely get them dealing with this stuff. But I'm finished, about to head to the crib, man. One love, like always, love thyself. Can't love nobody without loving yourself. And on that note, like always, man, peace.
Hey, TY38, let me tell you something about this vlog, bro. It's unique. You can listen to one vlog all day long. This is the one you should listen to, baby.
All right, man.